Hello friends, this is Ankush Bhat with CATIA tutorial number 12. In this tutorial, we will learn about the break tool, the close tool and the complement tool. On the left hand side, we have CATIA V5 window, and on the right hand side, we have step-by-step instructions for the whole tutorial which you can write down. Let's start by creating a new file. Go to Start, Mechanical Design, Part Design. Give a file name to your file as I'm giving it Jimmy. So a new file with file name Jimmy has been created. Choose any plane from the part tree as I'm going with XY plane, or you can choose it from here by selecting it from here, the YZ plane. Now select the sketcher tool. Now we have entered into the sketcher workbench. These are the sketcher tools on the right interface, bottom interface and at the top interface. This is the close tool. By selecting the bottom arrow, we will get the break tool, the close tool and the complement tool. As we learned about the trim tool and the quick trim tool in our previous videos, we can reach to these tools by going to insert, then operations, then eliminations. So we have break tool, close tool and complement tool here. So let's draw some sketches to learn about the break tool. Let's draw a line. Let's draw some intersecting lines. So just go to the break tool and select the bottom arrow. So this is the break tool here. So as the name suggests, break tool means to break any sketch. As before breaking it, as I'm selecting it, it's getting selected as a whole unit, as a single unit. But now after just picking up the tool, selecting the sketch and providing the reference point by a left click of your mouse, you can just provide the reference point from which we will break the sketch as I'm providing it here. So now we can see we have just broke the line from this reference point. It's not getting selected in a single unit now. So we can just provide, instead of providing the reference point, we can provide a reference line also. So just pick up the tool, select the sketch to break. As I want to break this line, just select the line to break, and now select the reference line. As I can choose this as my reference line, or I can choose this as my reference line. As I'm choosing this as my reference line, just select the reference line. We can see that our sketch has been broken into two parts along this reference line. You can see now, like I'm selecting this part, and now I'm able to select this part individually. Or if I want to break this line, just pick up the tool, select the sketch to break. After that, select the reference line, just pick up the tool, select the sketch to break, select the reference line. As I'm selecting this as my reference line, now we can see that the select has been broke now. Now we can select this line individually. We can see here. So this is how the break tool works. Just pick up the tool, select the sketch and then give the reference point or the reference line. Now moving on towards the close tool, let's draw an arc to just work on close tool. So this is our arc. So as the name suggests, close tool means to close any sketch. This is our close tool. It helps us to close an arc. Just pick up the tool, select the arc we want to close. So it has closed the sketch, or we can say it has closed the arc. It just worked just to close the arc. Like if I take any spline like a free sketch, if I want to close this by the close tool, it won't be able to pick the sketch as it will just close the arc. So let's delete by the selection window. So let's move on to, so as we learned about the break tool and the close tool, now move on to complement tool. Just go to bottom arrow. So this is the complement tool. Complement tool is used to form the complement of any sketch. Let's make an arc. So as we can see, we have made, or just let's make another arc. The sketch is being intersecting. Let's make an arc here. So just pick up the tool and just select the sketch which we want to form the complement. As we have selected the sketch, now it has formed the complement of that sketch, or we can say that it has formed the remaining part of that sketch. Let us see it again. Pick up the tool, select the sketch. Now we can see that it has formed the complement of that sketch. Or we can use an operation of close operation. Just pick up the close tool. Now select the sketch. We can see our sketch has been closed now. So in this tutorial we will learn about about the break tool, close tool and the complement tool. In the further videos we will learn about the transformation tool, which is the last menu in our sketcher workbench. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.